How to turn on speedometer in Google Maps on Android. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this easy tutorial. It will take a couple of steps only. So first and foremost, you need to launch your Google Map app on your Android device. Once you are in your Google Maps, tap on your user icon in your right hand corner. From this list, select on the option of Settings. You have to scroll down until you find the option of Navigation Settings. Select on the option Navigation Settings. Now in here you need to scroll down again until you find the option of Speedometer. Now make sure that it is toggled on to the right side. If it's disabled like this, simply tap on it to enable it. Once the speedometer is enabled, now you'll be able to check for your speed and distance of your destination. If you cannot do this process, check out this next step. Open up your phone setting and search for your maps. In here, we are checking for an update so that you can get this feature easily. If there is an update, just leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it later. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.